Good day, everybody. So this is another analysis video. Now, here in this video, we want to talk about GBP USD, GBP USD, as well as GBP JPY. So the two are more similar. So now I've opened the chart of GBPJPY. Yeah, this is GBPJPY. So now I want us to talk about this chart. There is something funny that is happening here with GBPJPY. Now this pair should have fallen. I'm not sure if my counting is correct, but then I think it's a few months back. I mean few weeks back, maybe 2 months. So it should have fallen 3 to 4 weeks back. Then it should have fallen again 6 to 7 weeks back. There were two opportunities for it to fall. So here's the first opportunity. You see here, this was 6 to 7 weeks back, which is almost 2 months ago. Then this was 3 to 4 weeks back, which was a month ago. This one, it should have fallen here. It should have dropped here. And then it should have dropped here again. It didn't fall. It didn't fall. The question is why? Why didn't it fall when it should have here? And why didn't it fall when it should have there again? And now we are predicting that it will fall here. We are currently predicting that it will fall here. Well, as you should have seen before, that not all analyses go exactly as we predict. It should have fallen here, it should have fallen here, we think it will fall here. So it might not, as it didn't here. But now this one seems to be solid. Why it seems to be solid, I will explain why in a few seconds. Let me try and explain why didn't it fall here. First thing first, there is a pattern we can see here. We see a shoulder, we see a head and a shoulder. So there is a head and shoulder here. Perfect setup. It should have fallen here. It didn't. Now, the question is, why didn't it fall? Now, the answer is simple. The market makers did not get enough traction here. It did not get... So usually what happens is that when they create a shoulder, they trap people here. When they create a head, they trap people here. And those who are trapped here, they had some confidence that it will continue rising, and it didn't. They are trapped. Now, when they come here, they create another shoulder. They trap people here at the top. All of them, they bought. All of them, they bought. Now they sell. The market makers drop because these people bought. They chow their money. So that's why they should have fallen here. Now, secondly, it failed. This one failed. Did not fall. Going up, it should have fallen here. Now, here's the knowledge that we use here. This top here, it rejected this marking that you see here, this marking. Now, from this marking that you see here, when they reject here, we're expecting another rejection there. Well, it happened, as you can see, it happened. They rejected exactly at that traction, at that point there, that shape there, the rectangle, they rejected. They should have fallen. They should have fallen. They didn't. The question is why? Another why. And here's the answer. The answer is the people that were supposed to be trapped here. You remember I told you people are trapped there, people are trapped there, people are trapped here. The people that were supposed to be trapped here, the market makers did not get the enough number. Okay, these people, they work, the market makers. When I say the market makers, I'm talking about the people that control the market, right? So here's the logic. They trapped people here. The number which they targeted, maybe they targeted 10 people, did not reach. They did not reach the number they targeted. Let's say they targeted 10 people. You find that they got only 7. Now they needed to go a little bit higher to trap people that must believe in buy. Now they bought. So more people, we're assuming that they must reach at least that 10, which is their target. Now they will drop if they reach that 10 number there. But then, what would have happened if now this one also rejects or fails, and then now we are hoping on this one? What would have happened is that still here and here, the 10 target was not reached in both scenarios or situations. So they need to rise even more to trap even more people to believe in buying, so they can drop it on a selling direction. So that's what is happening here with GBPJPY and also with GBPUSD. So I'm only analyzing using GBPJPY because GBPJPY and GBPUSD, they move in a similar pattern or similar way, and they are all affected by GBP. So that's about it, right? Now, going further into the analysis, when we head into the third one, what are we expecting here for it to drop? We are expecting a drop. We know we are expecting a drop. Now, what are the requirements that we must see for it to drop? Now, since they've rejected this the first time here, and now they rejected for the second time here, now they are going for the third time, right? What we need to do, we need to put in a trend line here. We need to put in a trend line. Let me change the trend line into another color. Let's say maybe black. We're using black as my trend line there. Oh, did I just remove it? Oh, I removed it. So let me just edit again. We must now put in a trend line. What's going on? Did I put? Oh, I put none. I should have put black. Okay. Now there is my trend line. Let me fix it to be okay there. Now there is my trend line. Now they've rejected one time, two times. We're expecting a third one, right? Now we're expecting a third one. They will go up. As you see, they're already going up. They must come here and reject again. They must drop. When they drop, let me fix this. Let me fix this. When they drop, they must come, retest. After retesting, they must retest this line. After retesting, they must drop. So this is what we're expecting now for it to happen. They will create a small head and shoulder, which this will be the shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. A shoulder, a head, and a shoulder for it to drop like that. Now, this is where we take our entries. Or you can take the interest there, it's up to you. But now you need to be very, very clever for you to take it there. Because what might happen, you might find that we are wrong and they will break up. This might happen. Remember, this is a trend line on a 4-hour time frame. I mean, on a daily time frame. This is a trend line on a daily time frame. So they might break that trend line, come and retest it, and continue going up. Then we are doomed. We are doomed. But then, this is not what we're expecting. This is another situation that might happen. We are not hoping that it might or it will. Here they will rise, come down, break the line, retest, and go down. This is what we are expecting for it to happen here. Now, this is why the topic says what should have happened to JPY but did not happen. This is what could have happened 2 times in a space of 2 months. And we are patient. We are very, very patient. We are waiting for the opportunity. Whether it comes next year, we don't care. We are just waiting for the opportunity to come along, then we make some money from there. Anyways, peace. Take care, guys, and stay safe.